everybody, Candace here with Green Roof Farms DIY. Today we're going to go ahead and make this in the hoop towel topper. These are really fun. You can make your own linen towels and stuff them up in there, or you can make a Velcro before you finish it and Velcro your towels in and out, or take a terry towel and sew that up in there. It's really your choice how you're going to finish this off. This comes in one hoop, and so I just went ahead and pulled out my towel. I'm going to be stuffing this towel up in there. Did a rolled edge finish on my linen towel. You're going to be making this piece inside the hoop, and the way that it gets made is actually inside out. You want to use a tearaway stabilizer, so that way your stabilizer comes off nice and easy at the end. And essentially it's going to stitch an outline. That's going to let you know where to put your fabric. It's then going to stitch the design down, and before the last step you want to put another piece of fabric face down. Now I pre-fold all of my fabrics, and so let me just show you what that looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and make this one. So the first step we're going to do is it's going to stitch an outline. I'm going to line this up and have my fabric facing up so the design stitches out. At the last step, I'm going to be putting another piece of fabric with it face down. So this is going to allow us to create an inside out towel topper, which then we're going to just turn right side out once we're done. Now when you're doing this, you want to make sure you measure your hanging rod it's going to go on, so you know where to put your cam snap. You know, usually a snap there and a snap on the back makes for easy snap on and snap off. And that's really up to your choice how you want to do that. There's a whole bunch of different designs in these towel toppers on my website, and I'm going to take you through how to make one of them now. Alright, so the outline's been done. This lets me know where I'm going to go ahead and put my fabric. I do have it folded over, so I have a nice finished edge. I'm simply going to put it just right below the line, straight. It's going to tack down. Alright, so now I tack this down. I'm going to zoom in on this a little bit. So you're able to see when you line it up, you get it nice and flat along that bottom edge. And so that's what we're really going for. And now it's going to move on and actually stitch the rest of the design out.